Tired of messy PDF conversions, text all over the place, tables broken, images missing? We've all been there. ComPDF conversion tools have been fully upgraded with advanced AI table recognition and layout analysis, combined with proprietary algorithms for natural reading order and layout restoration, delivering a breakthrough in conversion quality. Today, we'll compare the results before and after the upgrade across different PDF conversions. To test this, we'll convert the same PDF document into different formats: Word, Excel, PowerPoint, using both the old and upgraded conversion tools. Then, we'll compare the formatting, accuracy, and overall quality. Let's get started. Part 1. PDF to Word comparison. First, let's take a look at how the old version handles PDF to Word conversion. As you can see, visually, the effect is pretty good, but there are still some minor issues. The text alignment is still a little off. For example, the text here obviously overflows the text box. The fonts don't match perfectly, etc. also. Now let's take a look at the upgraded conversion effect. The page layout is restored to be accurate. Fonts, spacing, and images are more accurately preserved. The previous problem of text box overflow no longer exists. Part 2. PDF to Excel comparison. Next, let's compare the PDF to Excel conversion. In the old version, some table structures were distorted, and some numbers ended up in the wrong cells. Also, some merged cells were misidentified, such as here, the last row of cells is not merged with other cells, but it is recognized as a merged cell. Now, look at the upgraded version. The table structure is more accurate and all data is placed correctly. See that the merged cells that were not accurately recognized before are also ready to be recognized. And the previously messed up text is also accurately recognized and in the correct position. Part 3. PDF to PowerPoint comparison. First, let's take a look at the converted PPT before the upgrade. Okay, it looks a bit bad. The text is messed up. The layout is also wrong. We need to manually change this part. The font spacing seems to be a problem. Some elements are not recognized. Let's take a look at the converted PPT after the upgrade. Perfect. All elements are accurately recognized. The text is messed up, and the spacing problem has been corrected. No manual adjustment is required. The background image is also fully recognized and can be edited at will. All comparisons are complete. Here's a quick recap of the upgrades. PDF to Word achieves pixel-level accuracy, enhancing readability and editability. PDF to Excel accurately restores tables, ensuring precise conversion and improved data clarity. PDF to PPT precisely recognizes all elements, maintaining high fidelity in layout restoration. Speed Boost processes 1,000-page documents in seconds. Smart Compression ensures high quality while reducing file size for easier storage and sharing. Which improvement stands out to you? Let's discuss in the comments.